Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to turn page like this. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Now I'll go to file and import these pages. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add or I'll create new composition. Okay, and I'll call it page 1. Okay, page 1. Then I'll go to width. I'll change it to 5 to 9, and also height I'll change it to 844. Then hit OK. I'll go to this page and drag and drop. Press S to increase it like this. Okay, again new composition. I'll call it page 2. Then same height and width. Okay, and I'll add page number 2 and I'll decrease it like this. Okay, so now we have composition page 1 and page 2. Now I'll go to composition and I'll drag and drop page 1. Okay, let me open grade here and go to page 1 and press P and move it like this. Okay, make this layer 3D and go to anchor point and move it in this side. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type turn page, CC turn page, drag and drop and C. This is turn page. Okay, make back opacity with 100. Okay, then I'll go to first frame, or make sure that you are on the first frame, keyframing position, and I'll move this point like this, like this. Okay, go 2 seconds forward, 2 seconds forward, 2 seconds forward, and again I'll move this page like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, again I'll go to first frame and move this point again like this. Okay, yeah. Now press U, take these points and I'll change it to easy ease. Okay, and see, half. Yeah. Okay, now I'll stop here 1 second. Okay, and I'll move again, I'll move this point like this, and now see. Yeah. Okay, also we can go to radius. Okay, and increase radius, something like this. to be more realistic. Okay, and here light also can increase it a little and see. Okay, now we want to import another page in back. Okay, so I go to project and drag and drop page 2. Okay, and I'll close it, go to page 1. Okay, and I'll go here to back page and choose back page 2 and see, this is page 2. Okay, yeah, I think it's very simple, very easy. Now I'll go to layer, solid as a background, and I put it down. Okay, I'll go to effect, gradient, or color, and I'll change this color. Like, yeah, and this is our page, turn page. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and